Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
This video shows how to use Windows 10 on Android step by step. Gather a Windows 10 PC with 2 GHz CPU and 4 GB RAM. Ensure the PC has 5 GB free and remote access enabled. Use an Android device running Android 7, 0 or higher with at least 2 GB RAM. Prepare a stable Wi-Fi connection or a 5 GB monthly data plan to avoid interruptions. Install Microsoft Remote Desktop or a VNC client on Android before continuing. First, enable remote access on your Windows 10 PC through System Properties. Open Settings, navigate to Remote Desktop, and toggle Enable Remote Desktop on. Select Network Level Authentication if your network supports it and allow required firewall exceptions. Note your PC local IP address or set up dynamic DNS for remote access across networks. On Android, install Microsoft Remote Desktop, then add a new PC using IP, username, and password you verified earlier. Adjust display and performance settings for the best experience when using Windows 10 remotely. Set the remote display to 16:9 resolution and lower color depth to improve responsiveness. Disable heavy visual effects on the PC and configure power settings to prevent sleep while connected. If a connection fails, check the firewall rules, verify credentials, and confirm the PC is powered and awake. Use an external keyboard, mouse, or gamepad with mapping apps for better control and stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.